Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So currently I'm in the house that I'm going to be staying at for the week with my cousins, and this house has some pretty cool stuff. This is my first day in LA, by the way. Some pretty cool stuff. It's got my favorite thing that they have in the house is a System of a Down sign drumstick, sign cymbal. Got some Queen. Starting my day off right with a nice breakfast. I'm going to grab the orange juice after because I got the other hand with the GoPro. But one of the most incredible things about being at this house is I get to eat outside and right in front of this incredible view.
It's a little cold today. It's like 70.
This is my cousin's mom. It's like 70 today.
It's going to be like 75, so it's a little chilly. Yeah.
It's like 4 degrees in Michigan right now. So, I don't know what we're going to be doing today, but I don't know, I guess I'll find out. What are we going to be doing today?
I don't know, we'll just go with the flow.
Go with the flow? Alright. Hey guys, so first day in LA. First thing we're doing today, we're going to Venice Beach. Let's enjoy. First thing I see when I park is this beautiful Mustang, which this thing looks incredible. This interior is super clean. It's not a Matic though. I'm a little sad about that, but this is fantastic. I love it. I think I need that shirt. For YouTuber. I completely forgot my laptop charger, so I'm at Best Buy trying to buy a new one. So I hope they get one, or I hope they have one at least. So good thing they had it. I will actually be able to keep providing videos for you guys while I'm in LA, which is gonna be really nice. Okay, next stop, I'm going to Rodeo Drive. Grab it! Sounds so good. Hey, I started something. Missed my truck, and like there's the same thing as my truck, just a different trim package, but like then I remember that there's a Porsche and I don't miss my truck at all. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of Venice Beach. It was pretty fun. Make sure to check out Soundcheck 411 and Bob Addicted, who is sitting in front of me right now. So guys, if you liked the video, please make sure to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I will see you guys next time.